Okay, we're already here. Doing a day 2 video. I'm kind of just rushed because I got lucky and don't have to do the old sled around the couch thing. So get her on the deck. Fancier, I know how to sled moves. Ooh. 2 days in and we're already way more advanced than we were the day before. Practically call me Makoka. I mean, Christina Brandt. Oh wait, geez. Spin it around. So the perks of being an idiot. Oh no, did you back over the key? Probably not, eh? Oh, where is it? Ah, it's over here, we're good. Almost thought you parked on the key. All you guys that like to talk shit. Oh, that was dumb. We're gonna have to edit that out. Okay. Wow, that sounds great. There we go. I still have yet to put my exhaust on because I want to do a before and after video. But get this thing out here, spin her around. And then load it up. Oh, I got something that'll fix the case of the mic. It's called getting off work early and going sledding. There we go. As we head to the mountains, the ships for tomorrow come in. See you tomorrow, baby. Just realizing now how much I've driven this road in the past 12 hours. The Sea to Sky to Squamish from my house. I drove last night for night shift, drove back at midnight, drove there at 6 a.m. this morning, drove back at 10 a.m. and then now I'm driving back at 12:30. And then I'll be driving back again tonight, and then I'll be driving back again tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. So we grinding to get out here. We're working up in Squamish. I gotta get a place there, goddamn. If anybody knows where I can get a place to rent for cheap, keep the sleds and have 2 dogs, let me know in the comments or shoot me a message, because yeah, this drive's killing me. And it's killing the old girl. She's gone through a few air filters, gonna need an oil change soon. And yeah, she's gonna hit 500,000 kilometers sooner than I expected. But anyways, we'll see you at the lot. Okay, we're up here. Now the fun part is finding a spot to park, as we're on the fucking road basically. I wonder if this way would work. You think over here is stuffed off enough?
You're good there.
Yeah? Alright, perfect. I'll go with that. We'll take it. What a spot.
Okay, we're here. We're starting off. Hopefully the Gopro mount is a little different today. Put it in my income and my cost money towards kind of dealer or anything really, because I got to he wasn't kidding. You a little surprised?
We got a guy, like my neighbor has a big, like, done up Jeep.
Yeah. Well,
We called him.
if you can't. Something always happens. Holy fuck, boy. Y'all too excited for winter? How's it going? Hilarious, I'm not asking for much, but some sort of maximum, right? Wow, ain't that a view, eh? As I so, oh, that one came off. Alright, there we go. Look at that. Fuck, the tracks of a wild roadie. There's the dirt. Yeah. I think I know what you said. I'm not sure. The helmet. Make it helmet. Okay, there we go.
Whew. Not bad for after a day at work, hey?
Not bad, boys. Not bad.
You can just see the ocean right there. That's just insane. I've never, well, in Stewart you could see it, but that was one day of snowmobiling. This is going to be a lifetime here.
We're just at the hill we were at the other day. See, a little bit of fresh snow.
May not be a lot of snow, but where the wind blows, it's still good. There's some snow there. You didn't touch dirt. Oh, yo. Yeah, that's like right to a drop off right there. Caden Martin's gonna have to take a lesson from Brandon on how to hold the fuck on. The guy was. Holy shit. Everyone out here's just got a Skidoo turbo, but I'm gonna stay strong with the Polaris. Don't you worry. There we go. It's the beauty about snowmobiling, you just gotta find a way to have fun. See when he hits dirt. Oh, he just barely hit a rock or something there. Oh, nothing beats that sound, eh? Couple of turbskis. Yeah, that's good snow.
Well, sightseeing to finish off the day. Real skinny in here. It's cool to get around and see stuff. Just the views up here are unreal too. I'm not supposed to get really on this side at all with your sled. There it is! There's the ship I'm working tomorrow. She's there.
Look at that.
Work one day, and then the same day be out here.
Dude.
There's the chalet over there. That is crazy.
Crazy, dude.
Well, another day of exploring done. Thanks, Brandon.
No problem, buddy.
We're fucking gonna head out. I'm putting $5 on that the fucking Ford Ranger is still there stuck. What do you guys think? Still there?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, well, let's get down the trail and see what we got ahead of us, and let's not get clotheslined.
trails.
Them townies, they got out. They didn't want you to come back to give them shit.
Fucking townies, fucking on sled trails.
Well, damn it, I guess I owe the club $5. Alright, I think we're just gonna call it a video here. Unless I got a dumb rant to say in the truck, probably will, but I tell ya, these classic body Duramaxes, you're gonna roll with the Ride Fast crew, you gotta have one. Anyways, that's a video. Holy, what a rough road down. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget Black Friday. Get yourself on the website, save yourself some money, get a free toque, or maybe get your order covered by us. Thanks, have a good one, bye.
Oh, wow.